Hi all, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and we're now looking at the dollar versus the yen and also the US dollar versus Canadian dollar in here, both exhibiting a more bullish tone in here, particularly from mid-October, being driven here dollar strength primarily due to a strengthening of US data, the economic data, plus a perceived more hawkish tone from the Fed going into year end and on into 2018. That's also coupled with a general risk-on environment, with that risk-on environment meaning a selling of the yen, so dollar yen pushing higher, and also some concerns regarding maybe the path of interest rates, maybe not quite as hawkish a tone from the Bank of Canada in here. So that's slightly softer, slightly more dovish tone for the Bank of Canada, potentially also helping dollar CAD higher. So dollar yen in here, as we can see, pushing higher, importantly above this early October peak over the last week at 113.44, coming up to this key peak here at 114.50, which we see when we go to the daily chart, an important peak in here from back in July of this year, and through there would open up an even more bullish tone, aiming up for targets up here at 115.50, 115.63, and potentially higher as we go into November. Looking at dollar CAD now, US dollar, Canadian dollar, you see this really bullish move in here from the middle of October. I say both a perception of a stronger dollar, but also a weakening the Canadian dollar, with the seeing the market less likely, or the Bank of Canada seeing the market less likely to be as hawkish as they've previously been in the second half of this year, and also the breakdown of the NAFTA talks, or concerns around the NAFTA talks. So both of those things in here pushing the market initially from bearish. We've got this bear trend all the way through May, initially from bearish to neutral through 126.63, and then to bullish on the breakthrough 127.78. So dollar CAD pushing higher, and we see here on the intraday chart taking out these this important resistances here and here, and looking in much more in a stronger bull trend, not just from mid-October in here, but rallying right the way through from the early part of September. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist, on behalf of forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.